Everybody's jumping on the AI implementations bandwagon. And yet, studies are showing that over 70% of these initiatives fail to deliver real value. Sure, there's hype and misunderstanding about the technology, yet, it's not because the tech doesn't work. It's because we often forget the humans are supposed to serve. The most advanced systems in the world won't matter if they misunderstand or ignore people they were meant to help. That's why, if I were starting an AI implementation in 2025, I'd do this first: truly listen. We've talked about how agile culture and practices set the foundation for effective transformation. Today, we go one step further into the AI specific piece that ties it all together: human centered design through active listening. Let's start with the risks. When AI systems are designed with a purely technical focus, prioritizing efficiency without first understanding purpose, we end up with tools that might be fast, yet miss the point. Think of an autonomous vehicle that optimizes speed at the cost of passenger comfort or safety, or a healthcare algorithm designed to reduce costs while overlooking patient health. These aren't bugs. They're design decisions that reflect a fundamental misalignment between what was built and what people actually needed. And when we don't listen broadly enough, we run into even deeper ethical risks. AI systems reflect the perspectives of their creators. So if we don't seek out diverse input, if we don't truly listen, we risk baking in bias, reinforcing inequality, or overlooking critical use cases altogether. That's why the first step of any responsible AI implementation is a structured active listening framework. It starts by mapping out all stakeholders, not just direct users, but everyone impacted by the system. That might include customers, employees, vendors, regulators, or even people in the communities where the systems are going to be used. From there, we hold intentional listening sessions, not to gather feature requests, but to understand the needs. We use tools like the five whys to peel back and surface the real problem to be solved, not just the ask. Someone might say they need an AI that predicts churn. And with deeper listening and understanding, we uncover that what they really want is a way to proactively identify and support at risk customers before they leave. That shift from predicting churn to preventing it completely changes how the AI is designed, deployed, and measured. Let me give you two contrasting examples. In one case, a company built a supply chain AI optimized for mathematical efficiency. Technically, it worked well. However, it completely disrupted warehouse workflows. Teams couldn't predict when shipments would arrive or what volume to expect. The result? Frustration, resistance, and eventually abandonment. In another case, the developers started by spending time with warehouse staff. They listened, they asked questions, they watched the work happen. What they learned shaped the entire design, resulting in a system that not only improved efficiency but fit seamlessly into their existing routines. People embraced it because it worked for them, not just around them. AI buys us back implementation time. Now we need to invest that time in listening and thinking about what we've learned so that we implement the best solutions possible. This is the true benefit that AI brings to the workplace and what will ultimately deliver the best products and services to customers. So, how do we build this into our processes? Start by embedding listening into every phase of implementation, not just the beginning. Create checkpoints as the system evolves. Document what you've heard and why it matters. Make those insights visible to the team so design decisions stay grounded in real human needs. Then you want to create safe spaces for honest feedback. People need to know that they can raise concerns without retaliation. That's especially important when the stakes are high, when decisions could impact jobs, reputations, or entire customer experiences. And be explicit in your understanding. Don't just assume you've heard someone correctly. Play it back. Here's what I've heard. Did we get that right? That small step builds trust and it helps uncover misunderstandings before they turn into missteps. When we take this approach, success shows up clear and measurable ways. Adoption rates go up. rework goes down. Teams feel heard, and most importantly, the resulting systems stay aligned with the people and principles they matter most. Because here's the thing, technology can solve incredible problems. And that's wonderful, but it's only great if we're solving the right problems. And the only way to know what those are is to truly listen. Before you launch your next AI pilot, ask yourself, have we really listened? If not, start there. Because no matter how advanced your AI system is, if it misunderstands the people it's meant to help, it's already off track. And if you'd like to learn more about lean practices and how they help us get to the root of the problem so that we can solve that, look one of these. And I'll be happy to tell you all about it.